അത് എവിടെയെങ്കിലും വരട്ടെ. ഞാൻ ഇപ്പൊ യമനിന്നാ വിളിക്കുന്നത്, യമൻ നേവിയിലിട്ടു.
Yemen Navy, they save us when we are floating into the sea, and give us good shelter, giving us what we need, and keeping us safe.
They give all our needed. They taking care of us. What we need, they give us all. I'm very thankful to all the authority here because they taking care of us.
Did you know in advance that you were sailing on a trip to Israel?
When we are discharging cement from Turkey to Stone, America, I heard maybe we will load fertilizer in Eilat, Israel. We confirmed this voyage when we finished discharging in Berbera, Somalia. The master called all the crew and then have a safety meeting. Voyage is confirmed that we will load fertilizer. During the meeting, the crew asked for if there is any bonus we will receive because we will travel to the high-risk area. But the master only he will promise that he will contact the company, and then until the incident happened, we don't have any information to this matter.
When we are in Berbera, Somali, when we are finished discharging, captain informed to the crew the schedule to Eilat is confirmed. But before we going to Eilat, we going to Jeddah for bunkering.
He will ask bonus to the company for the high-risk area we enter. And then after discharging in port, he declared that we go in Jeddah. We were loading in Eilat, Israel, fertilizer, and we discharge it in China.
After that, he said, yes, we go into Eilat, and we have to stop, switch off all the communication, all the satellites.
The first time I heard we go to Eilat after discharging in cement in United States, and then we go to Port Said.
Second time I heard when the master changed because we have a crew change in Port Said, Egypt. When the new captain come on board, they briefing us. He confirmed that we will load the fertilizer, Eilat, Israel, and then discharge in China.
When we are in Egypt, when passing, we heard some news that we are going to load to Eilat.
Did you hear any call or warning from anyone to the ship to stop?
And the master did not tell anyone that someone called to the ship, they want to stop the vessel.
When I go back to the bridge, saw captain monitoring the radio. I saw him lowering down the volume of the radio. I heard Yemen Navy calling our ship, but captain did not answer. Called for many times, but captain did not reply. He ignored the call of Yemen Navy, sir.
As I know, captain didn't respond for the authority of Yemen. Maybe that's why they start attack, because if they give this order, maybe one oiler will be still alive.
What is your message to companies that sail their ships to Israel?
To the owner or company, please stop your trading or any transaction to Israelian, because Red Sea is safe, but if you have any transaction or trading to the Israel, you will get any problem what we experience.
For other ship, please do not go to Israel because very dangerous and many Palestinian people suffering.
If a company is planning to selling to Eilat, if already going to this area, never stop the communication. The second is better not going there anyway, because this war must be stopped. If you want to send the vessel to the high-risk area, please inform the crew and ask the crew if they want to go to this high-risk area. If somebody like to go, okay, go. But For example, for me, if I know, better I go home before.
They are dangerous to passing the Red Sea. The ship is going to Israel. I want to say sorry for our ship is going to Israel.
For Palestinian people who suffered injury, children who suffered injury, we are very sorry for them.
Hello, Ma. Ma.
Sino to?
Si Boy.
അത് എവിടെയെങ്കിലും വരട്ടെ. ഞാൻ ഇപ്പൊ യമനിന്നാ വിളിക്കുന്നത്, യമൻ നേവിയിൽ കിട്ടും.
We are sorry, Palestinian. Bye bye. Bye bye.